Hi everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you quickly how to use our tanning drops. So these are perfect for achieving a buildable gradual tan, and you have full control over how dark and intense you want your tan to be. So I'm just getting ready. I'm just going to move my hair out of the way. So our tanning drops are really versatile. You can apply them to both your face and body, so you don't need to use separate products for face and body. They're really versatile, like all of our Minirella beauty range. And to use our tanning drops, I am just using two products, our everyday moisturizer and our tanning drops. So with these two products, you can create the perfect tan, as intense or as subtle as you like. So our tanning drops can be used for face and body, so you don't need to use separate products for face and body. I am just going to show you how I apply them to my face, and I am just using two products for this, our Minirella Everyday Moisturizer and our tanning drops. So the great thing about this is that you can really have full control over how intense or subtle you want your tan to be. These tanning drops suit all skin tones. If you want a subtle, lighter tan, then just add more moisturiser and fewer tanning drops. If you want a more intense golden tan, then add more tanning drops to your moisturiser. So I'm taking a few pumps of our Minirella Everyday Moisturiser, and then I'm going to add a couple of drops of our tanning drops to that. I'm just putting it onto the back of my hand, and a few drops with the pipette of our tanning drops. Now you want to mix this in really well. Sometimes I mix this into the palm of my hand rather than the back of my hand, because it just allows me to mix the two together better. I mix the tanning drops in with my moisturiser really well, and I'm applying it evenly all over my face. So I'd recommend generally adding 2 to 4 drops of our tanning drops to your moisturiser. You can add it to any moisturiser or body cream and then mix it well and apply it to your skin. And then you can watch your tan gradually develop over the next 24 hours. You can repeat this process as many times as you want, helping you to build your perfect tan. So the great thing about our tanning drops is that you can wear them all year round, and you can really achieve your perfect tan all year round. So in the winter, maybe you want a more subtle tan, and then if you're going on holiday and you're going to be in your bikini, you might want a more intense tan, in which case our one product, our tanning drops, are perfect for that, for creating your perfect tan all year round. I'll leave the link to all products mentioned in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!